So guys, welcome back to today's video, and as you can see it's going to be another review, and in today's video I'm going to be reviewing Photon trading. So Photon trading, I found out about these by simply finding a video on YouTube. I watched a video about market structure, and the way Photon did explain his like process and things like that really drew me in because he explained it in a really simple way, and from there I thought I may as well give his community a go. And this is the review of that. So as you can see, we will be covering the following. So we will be covering the Photon strategy, the community course and content, and the weekly breakdown videos. And then we will also discuss the community Discord, the support offered within Photon trading and within the Discord, and also the resources that are provided. So the first slide on here is the strategy is based on smart money concepts. Smart money concepts at the minute is really blowing up, and there's a lot of people providing this style of trading. So what you've got to be careful of is, choosing the right education and the right people that provide that education. So the Photon strategy is based on smart money concepts, also known as supply and demand. So obviously you probably know that already. It is very similar to other companies that provide supply and demand education. So, a lot of people that do provide supply and demand education, a lot of them do, the trade pretty much the same is what I'm trying to say here. And as you can see, I've put a little image of a part of the website, just right there at the bottom. And what they say on the website is they offer a minimum risk to reward ratio of 1:5. So that's really good in order to, become profitable within trading, because if you've got a minimum of 1:5 risk reward ratio, what that means is if you take a couple of losses and then you get one win, that loss will then be eradicated and taken out by that one winner. So you can go ahead and look at his website if you want to do that. And on to the next slide now. What I'm going to discuss now is the structure of the course. So what you get once you sign up is obviously you get access to the Discord, and you also get access to the course. So what the course is set out like is the following. So you will get number 1, which is start here. Then you will move into an intro to Forex. You will move into then risk management, brokers and charts, trading and edge, and it will explain to you obviously the benefits of trading and edge and stuff like that. And then number 6 is where the things get juicy and where he dives deep into technical analysis. And then number 7 finally will be trade plan. And then he also has other content on the website. So he does provide weekly watch list and market breakdowns, and also the odd meetup. So what weekly breakdowns are weekly breakdowns are where Photon will go through a specific currency pair, usually Euro USD, because what I've noticed is a lot of people in the smart money concept space, they mostly trade Euro USD, and that's probably for one of the reasons that it's probably the most liquid currency pair within Forex. So what he goes ahead and does is he will give you his thoughts on price action, what he's looking at within the market. So what he does a lot of the time, he will give you a breakdown of the top-down analysis. So he will start on like the weekly chart, for example, and it will go all the way down to the 15M and 1 minute. So a big thing I liked about Photon when I was going through his course is he would repeat certain things which would then allow it to stick in my head. So for example, if we were looking at the weekly chart and then we get a break of structure, what Photon says is you would be then looking for a pullback. So that's something that really stuck in my head when watching this course, and stuff like that has really been pivotal for me to remember certain things. So with the Photon course, it is beginner friendly. Some of the courses I've been through don't actually go as deep into what Forex is as Photon does, and that's another big benefit of this course. So on to the next slide now, the good and the bad of the community Discord. So I've been in communities before, and what they've done is they've had an old style forum, so you'd have to create a new post for every question that you had. And what I've noticed now is a lot of people are migrating over to Discord, because what Discord allows you to do is just easily ask questions and get replies, and you don't have to, create an all new forum post in order to get a reply. So one of the good points is you can get almost instant access to any questions you might have. This is especially good for beginners and when you are starting out within your journey in trading, and you can compare your charts to other traders at all skill levels. So within the Discord, they will be traders that that are consistently profitable and trading large capital. And when they are, posting their markups, their outlooks, stuff like that, you can study them, and you can try and figure out why they are taking these certain trades and how they are looking at price action. Another great benefit of this is you can discuss trade ideas and analysis with other like-minded traders, similar to the point that I've just said before. But you can go, you can connect with other traders that are, above your skill level in order to go ahead and learn from them. And obviously you have access to Photon within the Discord. So the bad now, and as I've said in the slide, not many bad sides. So the only thing that I would say that could have a negative effect within the Discord is when you are starting out and you are going through the course, you could be distracted by some of the things that are being posted, such as analysis, outlooks, and stuff like that. Because when I first started trading, what I noticed is when I was focusing so much on what people were posting, it was actually taking me away from the stuff that I needed to be concentrating on. So that's literally only the bad side that I would say within the Discord, but other than that, it's an incredible tool to have at your disposal. So support and resources, as I mentioned in the previous slide, it's really easy to get support because of the fluidity of Discord and how easy it is to use. All you simply need to do within the Discord is ask a simple question, and then someone will go ahead and answer that question, and it's usually pretty quick. So in my opinion, the support is very, very good. And all the resources you will need to get started, whether you are a beginner, whether you've been trading for a while, all the resources you will need will be within the community. So obviously you have the video course from start to finish, you have spreadsheets, you have trade plans, you have trade journals, so everything within the resources is provided. So overall, would I recommend Photon trading? And for me, yeah, I would recommend Photon trading. As I've said, for me personally, the way that he explains the concepts and things like that really made it easy for me to understand and digest all the information, because there's a lot of things that goes into supply and demand trading. It's not as easy as some people may think. And a lot of time people are posting crazy RR trades on Instagram and things like that, which makes it look easy, but in matter of fact, it's actually not. So overall, personally, I would say this is one of the best courses that I've been through, because it did suit the way I learned personally. But obviously, you can give it a try if you want to yourselves, and at the bottom, I've just left Photon Trading social, so you can check them out on Instagram, YouTube, whatever you want. I just thought I'd include that in there. So that's pretty much the review, guys. Just a brief overall review of Photon Trading. I would definitely recommend it if you are looking to get started in smart money concepts and supply and demand. But you can obviously go ahead and shop around if you like, because there's plenty of communities and things like that do provide supply and demand style education. But what I would say is obviously just be wary of the people and the communities that you are joining. So that's just about it for this video, guys. If it helped you out, please remember to leave a like on the video. If you have any suggestions or any videos that you want creating, leave it in the comments down below, and I will see you in the next one.